Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to delete search history on Google Chrome. So let's dive right in. Open your web browser and make sure you have Google Chrome open. In the top right corner of your browser window, find the menu button. It typically looks like 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. Click on that button to open the Chrome menu. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over History. This will reveal a submenu with several history-related options. Click on History from the submenu. This will open a new tab that displays your entire browsing history. On the left-hand side of the History tab, you'll see a menu with various options. Look for the option that says Clear Browsing Data. Click on that to open the data clearing menu. Here, you can choose how much of your search history you want to delete. You can select from options like last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or even all time if you want to wipe everything clean. Make sure the checkbox next to Browsing History is selected. This ensures that your search history is included in the data deletion process. You can also choose to delete other browsing data like cookies and cached files, but that's optional for today's task. Once you've selected the time range and confirmed Browsing History is checked, click the blue button that says Clear Data at the bottom of the window. This will initiate the deletion process. And there you have it. By using this method, you can delete search history on Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.